Alright guys, here goes the main course. We have the spicy chicken kebab, saffron on top, with two roasted tomatoes and lime. Alright guys, this is all I can take. The food is good, but with all that travel food in me, I can stuff no more. So Motion has decided to give me a travel to go box. And from there, I'll go ahead and put it in here and walk down the street with my food for the rest of the day. Very good. Thank you, very good. Alright. Alright guys, had a wonderful idea. I'm sitting here lugging around this leftover food from the Cars restaurant. So there's really no reason for me to be lugging this around when I see here in Los Angeles there are people who are starving and who haven't probably eaten for a while. So I see some homeless people. Let's see if they'll accept the food. Sorry that it's secondhand, but it's better than going in the trash or just being wasted before I get on this airplane. Alright, let's see if I can make it across the street. Oh man, hopefully that music doesn't mess me up when it comes to copyright. Alright, so I see some homeless people. Alright, let's not get hit. Let's do it. Hey guys, any of you guys hungry?
Yes, we are.
Oh, you are?
What is video tape?
All right. Who? You can share between the both of you.
I share with her.
You can share with her?
No,
you won't?
No.
Why not? Who?
I'm taking it from her.
Okay,
Why?
okay, what are you videotaping?
Well, this is just making sure that you guys know that this food is going somewhere. That's what I'm videotaping. So I have chicken.
You're not videotaping me per se.
No, well, no,
You're
just the
videotaping
event.
what you're doing.
Just the event. All right. So we got chicken kebab. Okay. Just got it from the Pars restaurant across the street. It's Persian food. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So
Spicy?
this. Yes, it's a little spicy, but not really.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. So go ahead and enjoy, guys. All right.
All right, God bless you.
This is for me.
It's just a camera.
The camera is videotaping.
It's just a camera. That's it. It's okay, sir. It's all right. All right. So I gave him food, but he attempted to try to scare me, but it's okay. Have a blessed day, guys. All right. So, but it's okay. So, you know, I know sometimes people who are out in the street have some type of mental disabilities, but it's okay. I don't hold it against him that he tried to accost me for my Sony camera, but it's okay. So hopefully that they eat up and that they enjoy it, and their stomachs will be full, at least until tonight, and then they're able to get their next meal. All right, guys, I'm here at the Enterprise. Let's see if I can get on one of these buses to get back to the airport. This is Los Angeles, so don't want anything to happen to me on these streets, but I'm strong. I can handle it. Sign off, guys. Enough. They allowed me to take the shuttle to the airport. Not a problem. So I'm just gonna sit my behind right here. Sun is in my face. I'm gonna sit my behind right here and wait for the shuttle and get on to the airport. It's probably one of my buses, but I'll sit here and wait. It is said to honor your father and your mother so that you may live long in the land that the Lord your God has given you. Me, I have a lot of catching up to do.
Your attention, please. Airport security alert. Please maintain control of your bags at all times. Report any unattended baggage or suspicious
On to Orlando.
to the nearest law enforcement official or TSA representative.
There you go.
I have a big man.
No, yeah, wait.
mango.
Yeah, wait for an introduction. All right, guys, here we are in Kissimmee right now. I'm with my mom. This is Monique. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi.
All right, she's gonna go ahead and explain what her garden, her jardin, what she's growing. So first, what do we have here? What's this?
I have a park and go bean.
So we have some beans. Next up,
Another Pacongo bean again.
are they the exact same type of beans?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's this big monstrosity here?
This is a big mango tree.
And has it grown mango yet?
A lot of mango. Sweet, sweet.